everyone. Welcome to Freight FM with Interlog USA. We're really excited to have you guys here for episode 3. We have another guest speaker, which will be exciting. But before we begin, I just wanted to do an introduction of myself. My name is Rachel. I work with the marketing team here at Interlog and one of the hosts here at Freight FM. So we have a couple other hosts that do other episodes as well. But to get started, we have a guest speaker, Reid Berndt. He is our specialist here, customer solution specialist, who is lucky enough to do all the demos typically here at Interlog. So he's a great expert at our online tracking and tracing portal. So we decided to do this episode kind of going through the portal, some benefits of it, kind of how it gets customized for each of our customers. And he'll kind of go through that for you. So Reid, welcome to the podcast. And I'll let you kind of take it from here.
Hi, Rachel. Thank you for having me. Yes, absolutely. So as you said, it is my responsibility here at Interlog to provide the tracking and tracing capabilities for our importers and our exporters, all of our customers. What I can do here is I will go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so essentially this is what our Interlog customer portal will look like once the customer is logged in. This is kind of our demo copy here that I like to share with our customers when we're first bringing them on board. But essentially how this will work is it's a link that's sent directly to you, to each individual user, each individual user per company. But each company has one portal that is directly correlated with our system, which we use is CargoWise. So once they're set up within CargoWise, I can provide the links to access the portal and they can view the latest status of their shipments. As you can see here, this is kind of our overview page where you can view the basic default columns, the shipment number, the master bill of lading, the container number, the shipment number, the listed consignee, the origin, the ETD, the destination, ETA. As you can see, we have a lot of different filter options here. You're able to filter by specific date. You're able to filter by location. You're able to filter by even by the organization as well. Typically, so how this will work is once they logged in, you are able to create a password and log in and be able to view the status of your shipments, and you'll have your own individual account. And then, as I said before, by clicking on this or logging into the overview page, you can view the latest status of your shipments. What you can also do within this is the option to customize these columns. So what's really great about this portal is you can really customize it however you want or however you're able to view that information. So as an example, if for your company, if you're primarily operating under your purchase order number and not as much by an individual container number or bill of lading number, we can set that up to make it easier for you to view in that way through this portal. So I'll do that right now through this customize columns option. So as you can see through like the available columns, we have a lot of different options that you're able to add to your default when you're able to log in. Just as an example, I'll do the order reference number or purchase order number that they can add. So you can click on that and move over to this arrow to selected columns, click OK. And what you can also do is through that selected columns, you can also move it up to the top. So as if you are viewing your shipments and you want to be able to view it by, or reference it, I should say, by the order reference number or PO number at the top, you can move that over to the far left and view the latest status of your shipments, and it just makes it easier for you to reference through that and really just customize this however you want and saving the layout however you want for each individual user for each company that we are doing business with. So another feature that I want to make sure our customers are aware of is the export to Excel option. So through this portal here, you can also have the ability to download this information here in a one-off Excel document. So that can, it can be sent via an email or to another customer, et cetera. Just having that option to be able to download that one-off here from viewing on the portal. And obviously customizing the columns to be downloaded however you want. Going into each individual shipment, where you can view the latest status and completed milestones as well by clicking on this underlined shipment ID number. So here you can see that we have the information, the ETD and ETA for each individual shipment, the origin, destination. And down here on the left, you can see the completed milestones. So within our system in CargoWise, as soon as a milestone is completed, our team is updating the status of this from pending to complete so that for a user viewing the portal, they know when this milestone has been completed and they can see the date that it's been completed. Also have the transport section. So for whatever reason, if we are loading your shipments onto a rail as the second leg of the journey, you can track that within the portal as well. All this information is being pulled directly from our carrier websites and then from the rails as well. So you're able to view the latest status, the ETDs and ETAs for the vessel on the ocean or the vessel in the air. And then along with on the rail moving toward the final destination, ETDs and ETAs as well. You can view through here. You can view the goods and packs list for each of the individual shipments here, and then along with the container information. And then along with here, you can also view each of the documents that are all the documents related to this shipment are also viewed here for the customer's reference. So all arrival notices, commercial documents, invoices, packing list, bill of lading, all of that is uploaded here through our system. And then also any invoices that are being sent by Interlog or that are being sent for that shipment and processed are able to be viewed here for the reference of the customer. So that's just really the bare bones of the portal, Rachel. That's just kind of how we demonstrate that to our customers and the capabilities that we have through this portal.
Awesome. Thanks, Reid. I think that was a really good view of kind of what we have in our platform. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, very easy to navigate. We always do a demo with our new customers to show them kind of the ropes, customize it how they like. So I think that's a great way for people to make sure they're getting everything they need to view and to be able to come in here anytime they want to see a status. So it's a great resource that we offer. And then Reid, I know we also do other things to make sure our customers are aware of things, just so they don't always have to come here to get things. What do we do typically on a weekly, daily basis to make sure our customers are getting other type of reporting or some type of update on their shipments?
Absolutely. So in addition to this portal, we want to make sure that we're providing as much features as possible and as much visibility on the shipments while they're in transit. So in addition to this portal, another feature that we can offer is through use of the weekly scheduled reports. So these reports can be generated from our system similar to the one-off Excel spreadsheets that can be downloaded from this portal. So we can also through our system have those same reports be sent to any emails or sent via email to any contacts that want to receive them, and it can be set to be sent daily, multiple times a week. It really depends on the customer's preference. And then along with that, so that report also contains the latest data for each of your shipments and along with that information there. And then it can be customized along with similar to the portal columns in really whatever format that they want. So how I like to tell our customers is that in addition to this portal that we can provide, we can also provide this further convenience tool for the reports being sent to you multiple times a week, typically Mondays or Thursdays based on, general business meetings and stuff like that, but it can be provided as many times a day or as many times during the week as possible. And then having that tool to be viewed if they don't want to have to log into the portal every time.
Awesome. Yeah, I think depending on our customers and what they need to have reminders or notifications, we set it up exactly how they want. So it is customizable. We can send you however much information you want or as little information as you want as well. So it really just depends kind of on the client's customers' needs and expectations too. But Reid, thank you for this. Is there any other additional information you would like to give our viewers here today?
Yeah, I guess the last thing that I would say is, in addition to the schedule report, something else that we can provide is we can also provide the automatic notifications on the shipments that you currently are set up through Interlog. So with this automated through our system, in addition to the portal, in addition to the scheduled reports, it's also notifications on the latest status of your shipment. So it can be sent automatically to your email when this information is received from the carrier site. So an example of this would be is if a shipment was delayed, you will receive an automatic notice to the appropriate contacts, which I would set you up within the system to receive those. But when you receive that delay notice, as soon as that information is published, so it's really as quick visibility on the shipments as possible through that. And then in addition to that, possible delay notices where you're alerted to a delay of that shipment, you can also receive notices on departures of the shipment and then the arrival of the shipment at the port of discharge as well.
Awesome. Thank you, Reid. I appreciate you coming on here and giving us a little insight of how the portal works. And with anyone, if you guys have any additional questions or comments about this, please reach out to us. You can email us at sales@interlogusa.com, or Reid, do you have a personal email they can reach out to you specifically on?
Yeah, you can. I mean, if anyone has any questions at any time about our tracking capabilities or the reports or anything within our system on how we provide visibility on our shipments for our customers, they can reach out to me at Reid at interlogusa.com, or Reid Berndt, I should say. But I'm happy to provide my email as well for that, and anyone can reach out to me at any time.
Sounds good. Thank you, Reid. And thank you all. We'll see you next time on Freight FM. Thank you.